5500 and it's broken. Oh. Did they fix it? There's people waiting on it. Did they fix it? There's no more sign. Oh my god, it's fixed. It's fixed, it's fixed. There it is down there. It's fixed. Oh my god. After so long, it's fixed. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude, this thing hasn't worked in like 4 months. Yes. They fixed it. Let's go. I cannot tell you guys. This thing got red tagged. This thing had so many problems. Took literally forever for them to fix this thing. You can kind of see up into the shaft because the shaft light's on. God, it took forever for them to fix this. Runs nicely. Number 4. This thing completely replaced a Millennium, which really needed a replacement. I'll tell you the story of that. That Millennium was as small as about here. It was always crowded and it was always broken because it was always so overused. In 2015, they finally got a replacement with this Schindler 5500. And last year, they proposed to install another one. I'm not sure where it will be. It's only a proposal. Let's see if the call button down here is still the same. Yeah, it is. It still has that black call button. And it still has that. Might be going up. Yep.